Among the most disregarded steps in producing a new internet marketing business is the planning phase. Here are a few tips that will help you get going in the right foot and assure that you produce a sales funnel plan that will bring profits to your business. 1. Get or develop high quality products. This is really important for the beginning and the future of your business. Quality products are key, whether it's a freebie you're giving away or the biggest ticket item that you have. Quality products will help you build a favorable reputation. And supplying quality products ought to continue with all of your future interactions with your buyers. They ought to be able to consider and know that you'll continue treating them better and better as you continue to build your business. 2. Produce your lineup of products. What is a sales funnel? It's basically providing your buyers a lineup of quality products that are increasing in value and probably in price. Your buyers will likely enter your sales funnel at different places. However, the most common place will likely be by taking advantage of some free product that you're giving away. They'll normally do this by opting into your list on your squeeze page. But some might purchase one of your products without ever seeing your free offer. In either case, you want them to go forward in your sales funnel and purchase more of your products. This is where planning comes in. You have to have a different reaction for each of these buyers, a different plan. Decide how to introduce your next level product. For the individual that accepted your free gift, you want to get him to become a buyer. For the individual that paid for one of your products, you want him to purchase your next level product or one of equal value. And then you want them both to go on in your sales funnel. 3. Stay in touch. Besides just producing a high quality line of products and services, you need to establish a relationship with your prospects and buyers. You do this by remaining in contact. Send them email messages, content mixed with sales offers. Make certain they're aware of your blog posts. This constant flow of useful information helps to ensure that prospects and buyers stay informed and also makes it more likely that they'll pass your information on to their associates or business partners. This might get you more subscribers and more buyers. Next, we will look at how to grow your business 10 times more with big tickets.